Hello, it's me. What's happening? Are you ready? Hold on to your phones. The show is about to begin.
Hi everyone. We move on to preparing the chicken. I'm a big fan of washing meat before cooking it. Controversial subject, I know. I understand if you don't want to wash yours, but if you do, please just make sure to disinfect the area thoroughly after. Cut the chicken into nice bite-sized chunks. Then into our super handy sealer bags, you can start to add in the meat, followed by yogurt. Freshly grated ginger. Watch those fingers. Freshly grated garlic. Ground cumin. Chili powder. Garam masala. Lemon juice. You can use fresh lemons or this bottled stuff. Once it's all in, give it a good massage, like you were trying to earn yourself a cookie. Place into the fridge for 3 hours, but ideally 24. The longer the better. More flavour will be in the meat. Now wash your rice. Never skip this step. It's so important to getting those grains to separate and taste clean. Now in a hot pan, add in some ghee. Then the beautifully marinated meat. Stir often as to not let it burn. I remember I used to be so convinced that breast meat was best for these style of curries. Now I will only use thigh, much tender and flavoursome. While that's cooking nicely away, we can peel and chop some onion. I love this handy chopper, saves so many tears. Now add those onions into the cooking chicken. Again, stir as not to burn. I know we have already added in lots of flavour, but we are not quite done yet. I can't wait to eat this. As those onions soften up, you'll need to peel and grate some more ginger and garlic. Once grated, you can add the ginger and garlic into the pan. Stir it in thoroughly, then add in some brown sugar. Not an ingredient expected, I know. Please trust the process. Some more ground cumin. The flavours in this dish will be dancing in your mouth. Add some ground coriander. Some more garam masala. Some paprika. Stir it all thoroughly again, making sure to scrape the whole pan. Now my favourite part, to make it deliciously creamy. Slowly add in the double cream, stirring thoroughly, making sure nothing burns. Once all the cream is stirred through, you can add more if desired. I tend to always end up adding more. I do like mine to be rather